Today is a special day. For petrol heads, this is like Christmas and birthdays combined. It's new car day. So the Aston Martin is now done and sold.
Bye-bye, have a great time.
And the TT is more or less finished, so we need something new to build on the channel. So I would like to welcome you to the new project, the Jaguar F-Type SVR. So I'm not normally a Jaguar kind of man, but this one really tickled my fancy for quite a few reasons. So the F-Type came in a few variants, originally a V6 and then the V8R, and also now they do a 4-cylinder, but this one is the big daddy, the SVR. So the F-Type normally is a rear-wheel drive, 2-seater sports car, but this particular model is actually 4-wheel drive, but it needs it because it's packing a bit of a punch underneath the bonnet.
Wrong side, bro.
Oh yeah.
Comes that way.
Not only does the bonnet open the wrong way, which I only just found out, but in this car we have a 5-litre supercharged V8 with 575 horsepower. That's a bit of an upgrade from the Aston. That's such an ugly engine. That's not what matters, because we don't look at the engine while you're driving. You don't look at the fireplace while you're poking the fire. So there is a few things which make the SVR a cooler car than the standard F-Type. So we'll run through those things and then we'll go through the elephant in the room a bit later.